I've been using Adalo for the past few weeks, and honestly, it's been a mix of delight and frustration. I went in curious, can this no-code app builder really let me go from idea to working mobile experience without writing any code? The answer, yes, partly, but it comes with caveats. Adalo is a no-code app development platform that lets you build mobile and web apps using drag-and-drop components, visual logic, and built-in databases. The pitch is simple: skip the back-end headaches, skip the boilerplate, and bring your app to life faster. You design screens, connect data, add logic, and publish, all in one tool. When I got hands-on, I kicked things off by picking a template. That gave me a foundation: screens, navigation, basic layout. Then I started customizing, adding forms, lists, images, buttons, linking screens, and wiring logic like on-button click, navigate, or fetch records from my database. The visual builder felt intuitive, especially for someone used to drag-and-drop tools. I also connected a few external APIs and used the built-in database collections. At each change, I'd preview and see it in action. It's satisfying to build something real and test it in minutes. What I loved, Adalo lowers the barrier to building apps in a meaningful way. You don't have to be a developer to make something usable. The template library gives you a boost, so you're not building entirely from scratch. It's mobile first, so apps tend to feel native. It also supports integrations, payments, external APIs, data sources, and more. The learning curve was gentler than many code-first platforms. For prototyping or testing ideas, it's incredibly fast. But Adalo isn't perfect. As I pushed features, I hit walls. Performance begins to lag when your app scales or you use heavy lists or images. When connecting external APIs, sometimes changes force you to rebuild those connections from scratch. Some users report bugs, crashes, or even data inconsistencies. Things disappearing, instability in the editor, or database issues. Some parts of customization feel limited. Customization beyond standard components can require workarounds or accept compromises. Also, the pricing can get steep when you want to publish to stores or use advanced features. And support can be slow when things break. Getting timely help isn't always guaranteed. I see Adalo working best for makers, founders, small teams, or non-technical creators who want a fast visual way to launch apps. If your app is simple or moderately complex, it's a great fit. If you expect to scale heavily, require highly custom behaviors, or need maximum performance, you'll probably outgrow it. Overall, Adalo feels like a powerful stepping stone. It isn't flawless, but it's impressively capable for what it is. It gives you a path to prototype, learn, and build without code, and if you choose the right use case, it can carry you far. If you're curious about building apps without deep development, it's a tool worth exploring, but proceed with caution when pushing it to its limits. So I want to hear from you. Would you trust Adalo to power your next app, or does the risk of hitting its limits scare you off? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And if this review was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest takes.